In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to free up WhatsApp stories without deleting chats. Let's get started. First, you can clear cache for the WhatsApp app. For that, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app to confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache for the app and free up some storage. Next up, launch WhatsApp. Go to U page. Click on the option Storage and Data. Click on the option Manage Storage. Now WhatsApp will show you a detailed breakdown of how much storage is being used along with all the large files, especially those above 5 MB. As you don't want to delete chats, what you can do is you can delete the media files, all the photos and videos. Click on this Photos section. Here you're going to find all the shared photos and videos. Check in for the photos and videos that you don't need. Then you can click on the delete icon and confirm it. So this way you are able to free up WhatsApp stories without deleting chats. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.